Hello everyone, it's Ahmed and I am back today to bring you guys a pretty exciting opportunity that I actually just found out about, and that is Paysafe. So Paysafe is actually going public via a SPAC merger, and this should be happening here in the next coming weeks. And so I kind of wanted to first give you guys a quick introduction about what Paysafe is. I'm on their website here, which is very nicely laid out. That talks about the different things that they offer, like digital wallets, integrated payments, online payments, cash online. And I really like this video that I watched here, and it kind of just explains what Paysafe is. So I'm going to go ahead and play that for you guys to watch real quick.
Accepting payments simply and securely is what we do. For 20 years, we've helped hundreds of thousands of businesses simplify payments with products designed for an evolving world. Our integrated payments technology is active in 120 global markets, and our payment methods are trusted by tens of millions of consumers. So whatever your model, size, or sector, plug into Paysafe to grow your business with confidence.
There's a little more.
In a changing world, we keep you and your customers safe. Our Risk Solutions program keeps you compliant with the latest regulations. Our dedicated Customer Vault secures your customers' data at the highest possible level. We provide businesses with all the tools they need to detect, prevent, and stop fraud, and work tirelessly to combat new threats as they evolve. When you plug in the Paysafe, it becomes our priority to protect you and your customers from whatever threats the future holds. If your business doesn't stay current, it can lead to frustration on all sides. And your customers have an ever-changing array of ways to pay: cash, card, via a digital wallet, or a bank transfer. We accept over 70 different payment methods, online, in-store, or on the go. And with our wide menu of tools, applications, and banking relationships, you can provide your customers a secure, instant, and personalized payment experience. Plugging into Paysafe means connecting your customers to the ways they want to pay.
Wow. So all I can say is wow, because again, I've heard of Paysafe, and I guess it's just something that I wasn't very exposed to. But looking at the amount of transactions here, something they're proud of is this 1 billion transactions processed through their platform, that is pretty dang impressive if you ask me. So again, today I found out that they are going public via SPAC merger, and there was reports all over Yahoo, Finance, and here it says Paysafe to go public in Bill Foley. So it's Bill Foley's SPAC, backed by a $9 billion deal. So what's that mean for all of us as, retail investors and, the little guys, if you will? So looking again at the SPAC merger, currently this SPAC is valued at, in the aftermarket, $12.70. Pre-close, it was at $11.95. So again, like all SPACs do, if I go back to the 6 month, you could see it, and again, this SPAC hasn't even been around for that long. But back in October, like all SPACs are, it was right around a $10 mark, hovering around there. And maybe there was some news surrounding the company itself. But as you can see in the last few days, actually today after market open, there was this spike that happened. So it went up 16%. So that's probably because, again, all this news came out that they are merging, that Foley Acquisition Corp is, or ticker symbol BFT, is merging with Paysafe. So again, if I go back to a tab, the first thing that you see all these headlines, it's a $9 billion deal, a $9 billion deal. Now, if I look at market cap for the SPAC, it's at $2.19 billion. $9 billion deal, a $2 billion SPAC. So what's that tell me? Logically speaking, if the merger goes through, which as of right now, it seems as it will, we're looking at an easy 4x to your initial investment at the current price of the SPAC at $11.95. So I'm guessing with tomorrow, after the market opens, the price of the SPAC is probably going to go up. And, I suspect it's going to be $12.70 right at the start, and we'll see what happens in the pre-market. But I'm definitely going to be opening a position with the SPAC because it's kind of a no-brainer. It's kind of like an easy money grab, if you will. So I could see this, the price target go from $12, $30, $40, $50, and who knows from there, because again, Paysafe as a whole, cybersecurity, it's really the future. There's a lot of data out there, and we need to protect our data, especially, for me as a pharmacist, we work in healthcare. So oftentimes with our patients and everything like that, we have to ensure that they're safe and that their information won't be getting out. So Paysafe is also, tapping into that sector of cybersecurity outside of just pure payments. Also, if you go on their website, they talk about the healthcare aspect as well. In there, if I go back here, industries we serve, healthcare and elderly care. So again, because that's a more sensitive group, but gaming, sports, camps, registration, retail, restaurants, the list goes on. So as you can see, it's already a well-established company. It is private, but finally going public via the SPAC merger. So I'm pretty excited for this one. I hope you guys all get in on it. Let me know if you've already entered and picked up a position in this SPAC before the hype. But again, I wouldn't say it's really been overhyped quite yet. So I think tomorrow morning, first thing, see what happens in the pre-market, but definitely open a position. And again, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying this, sharing my plays with you guys, and hopefully you can all make use of this and, get a quick, easy money grab. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you next time.